Hey YouTube, Chris Battle here, back with another video. Pickleball Poppy is loading. Today we have here this isn't a sponsored video, but I was sent this over for review. But my actual impressions of this are my own. And yeah, I've heard about pickleball being the the fastest growing sport. And I mean, who doesn't love sports? So getting into a little pickleball. So wanted to, and this is I'll get the exact model number of this in a second once I get this cut right. You know what, I'm gonna just pull it. Maybe you don't need the knife. Sometimes, you know, your failures are just on camera. Yeah, so you could just pull that instead of bringing out this whole knife like I did. But yeah, let's funny how that works. But what this is actually called is the YV Move. That's the name of the company, YV Move. It's a pickleball paddle with 3K. Here it is right here. It says it's with 3K T800 raw carbon fiber surface. It's actually 27% off right now. Yeah, so I don't know what all that means, I'll be honest with you. I'm new to the game, so. But I like the packaging. I like the, what do you call it, like reflective type vibe it has. And yeah, let's try to, they got the engineering victory. That's their kind of tagline. Which is really cool. Apparently they ignite culture. Neon lit street tournaments. That's crazy. And they say if you got a lemon, they have 24-hour support. So that's very interesting. But yeah, let's get to what's in the actual box here itself. You've got the paddle, interesting carbon fiber type. They said they use a aerospace grade carbon fiber, which is very interesting. Then they've got, I'll be honest with you, I am not sure exactly what that is there. And then they've got some tape here. And then the paddle itself. Feels fairly lightweight, which they do say ultra light yet powerful. So you see the 3K plus T800. Put that to the side. Looks like we also have a little carrying case to keep the paddle nice and covered up. I think that's everything we got there. So very interesting. Let's get that box out of the way. Take a look at the paddle. So yeah, gonna be testing this over the next few days. Put everything in frame there. Yeah, interested to see how this is gonna feel over time, but yeah, this is the paddle. Feels good in the hand, but you know, got to get out there and actually test this bad boy out. So looks good, feels nice. USA Pickleball approved. Not sure if that means you can use it in like official tournaments, but yeah, it's very interesting. It also says that you can get extra 2 years on your warranty via either this website and the code, or there's a tap grip NFC on the bottom. So that's interesting. We got something on the bottom of there, but yeah. This is the YV Move 3K plus T800 carbon fiber paddle, like the paddle board for pickleball. So it's really dope, and yeah, we'll give some additional feedback once we've tested this for, I'm gonna test it for at least a week or so, and then kind of go from there. I've got some entry level paddles as well, so we'll be able to kind of tell the difference here, because this is technically a $150 paddle. So on sale right now for $100, but still going to put it through its paces and give that final verdict if I can. Thanks for tuning in, and subscribe if you haven't. Keep up for more content.